Hey guys! Today I want to share with you my favorite terminal commands for Linux and macOS. The first command is cd and then the directory you want. In our case we write cd desktop. Now when you enter pwd you print the working directory and you can see that we are now in the desktop directory. Now when you want to move up one directory you write cd space ... And to check in which directory we are now, we write again pwd. When you are deep down in your file tree and you want to directly jump back to the home directory, you can just enter cd. With the command ls, you can list files and directories in the current directory. If you also want to see the hidden files, you need to write ls space -a. After you started writing a command, you can use the tab key to autocomplete your command. With Ctrl-a, you can jump to the beginning of the line, and with Ctrl-e, you can jump to the end of the line. By using the up and down keys, you can go to your previous and next command. The command history shows you an overview of the commands you have used in this terminal. Now you can also choose a command from the history and execute it again by writing ! and then the number of the command. Which are your favorite terminal commands? Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!